What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete your incognito browsing data in your Android phone. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to your Chrome browser. After going to Chrome browser, you have to click on the search option. Then you have to type a URL just like this. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you, so you can delete your incognito browsing history on your mobile phone. So you have to click you have to put this URL on just like this, chrome dot slash slash chrome URL slash. After typing this URL, you have to click on go. Then you will land a website just like this. You can see here is a bunch of options. So what we need to do, we have to find a option called Chrome history. Just like this option, you have to click on this option, Chrome history. Then you have to click on this. So after clicking on this, you can see here is all the data or all the browsing history of your Google Chrome incognito mode. So we need to delete this. What we can do, we have to click on clear browsing data just like this option. After doing so, you have to check all the boxes on. After checking all the boxes on, you have to click on this option, last hour to, you need to select the hours or the time frame that you want to delete. So I'm going to this last 24 hour. After doing so, you have to click on clear data just like this. If you click on this option, the all the browsing history of your incognito mode will be removed from your mobile data, so no one can see it. So this is how you can delete your incognito mode's browsing history. I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.